Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain transformations from trigonometry. Okay, what is transformations? The sum or difference of the trigonometric ratios or transforms into their products is said to be transformations between trigonometric ratios and vice versa. Okay, the sum or difference of trigonometric ratios or transforms into their products is said to be transformations between trigonometric ratios and vice versa. Okay, I give one example. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B equal to 2 sin A cos B. Okay, sin A minus B, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, 2 cos A sin B. So what is transformations? The sum or difference of trigonometric ratios transforms into their products. 2 sin A cos B, this into 2 cos A sin B. Okay, this is said to be transformations. Okay, now explain important formula. Sin A plus B. We have sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Let us take equation 1. Sin A minus B formula. We have sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay. So let us take second equation. In first case, let us do adding these two equations. Cos A sin B minus cos A sin B get cancelled. Okay. What we get? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B plus sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B. Okay. So let us take same equations. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. In this case, let us do subtraction. These two equations, minus plus. Sin A cos B minus sin A cos B get cancelled. What we get? Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. It will going to be cos A sin B plus cos A sin B, 2 cos A sin B. Okay. Okay, now third formula. We have cos A plus B formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B. We have cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay. In first case, let us do adding these two equations. What we get? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. It will going to be cos A cos B plus cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. Sin minus sin A sin B plus sin A sin B get cancelled. Okay. Now explain fourth formula. We have cos A plus B formula. Okay, let us take same equations. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B. We have cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, in second case, let us do subtraction. These two equations. Minus minus plus. Minus minus minus. Cos A cos B minus cos A cos B get cancelled. Okay. What we get? Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. It will going to be minus sin A sin B minus sin A sin B minus 2 sin A sin B. Minus 2 sin A sin B. Okay, this is also most important. Okay, we have got 4 formulae. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B equal to 2 sin A cos B. Okay, and sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. It will going to be 2 cos A sin B. Okay, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. We have got 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. Okay, fourth one, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. We have got minus 2 sin A sin B. Okay, let us take A plus B is equal to A plus B is equal to C. A minus B is equal to D. Okay, first we have to find A, B values. So let us first in first case adding these two equations. 2A is equal to C plus D. Where A we get C plus D by 2. Okay. Next our target is B. A plus B is equal to C. A minus B is equal to D. Let us do subtraction. Now A get cancelled. B plus B, 2B is equal to C minus D. Now B we get C minus D by 2. B value C minus D by 2. Where A plus B, on A plus B placing we should write C, sin C plus on A minus B. A minus B placing we should write D. Sin D is equal to sin, where A placing we should write C plus D by 2 into cos B placing we have C minus D by 2. This is also most important. Sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay. And coding S plus S is equal to 2SC. What is the coding? S plus S is equal to 2SC. Okay, now I am going to explain sin A plus B minus sin A minus B equal to 2 sin A cos B. So convert into in terms of C and D. Sin, where A plus B placing right, we should write C. Sin A minus B value D equal to 2 cos, where A B values we have got C plus D by 2 and C minus D by 2. Okay, so sin C minus sin D. This is very important. 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So coding is S minus S is equal to CS, where S for sin, C for cos. Okay. Next I am going to explain cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B, where A plus B, A minus B values are C and D. Cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos, where A placed in right, C plus D by 2, B placed in right, C minus D by 2. Okay. Okay, coding is C plus C is equal to 2CC. C plus C is equal to CC. Okay, now I am going to explain cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. Okay, converting in terms of C and D. Cos, where A plus B place in, we should write C. Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin, where A place in, we should write C plus D by 2 sin, B place in right, C minus D by 2. So what is this coding? C minus C is equal to minus 2SS. So coding is C minus C is equal to minus 2SS. Okay, now explain question number 1 from transformations. Find the value of sin theta plus sin 7 theta plus sin 3 theta plus sin 5 theta. Okay, we have one formula sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay, our coding S plus S is equal to 2SC. So S plus S is equal to 2SC. Now we should apply this formula sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2, where CD value is 7 and 1 theta, 7 theta and 1 theta. Okay, say theta plus 7 theta by 2 cos C minus D by 2, the difference of angles by 2, theta minus 7 theta by 2. Okay, again by using the same formulas, S plus S, sin C plus sin D equal 2 sin sum of angles by 2, 3 theta plus 5 theta by 2 cos the difference of angles by 2, 3 theta minus 5 theta by 2. Okay, now it will going to be 2 sin, this is theta plus 7 theta by 2, this is nothing but 4 theta, cos of, this is minus 6 theta by 2, this is minus 3 theta plus 2 sin 3 theta plus 5 theta by 2. Okay, it will becomes 4 theta, cos of, it will becomes minus 2 theta by 2. 3 theta minus 5 theta by 2 minus 2 theta by 2. Okay. Now 2 sin 4 theta take out common, cos of minus 3 theta. So cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta, because this minus theta lies on fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So cos of minus 3 theta, it will becomes cos 3 theta, cos of minus theta, cos theta. Now it will going to be 2 sin 4 theta. We have C plus C, cos C plus cos D formula. 2 cos C plus D by 2, 3 theta plus theta by 2, it will becomes 2 theta, cos of the difference of angles by 2, 3 theta minus theta by 2. Okay, it will be theta. What we get? 2 to the 4 sin 4 theta, cos 2 theta, cos theta. This is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. Find the value of cos 66 degrees plus sin 84 degrees. Okay. Cos 66 degrees plus sin this 84. 84 can be written as 90 minus 6. 90 minus 6 degrees. Okay. It will become cos 66 sin, we have sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Okay, it will becomes cos 6 degrees. Now I say that cos C plus cos D. We have cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Our coding formula C plus C is equal to 2cc. Okay, it will going to be 2 cos C plus D by 2. The sum of angles by 2. C minus D by 2 means the difference of angles by 2. 2 cos, where sum of angles by 2 66 plus 6 by 2 into cos the difference of angles by 2 66 degrees minus 6 degrees by 2. It will becomes 2 cos, this is 72 by 2. It will becomes 36 degrees cos, this is 60 by 2 30 degrees. 2 into cos 36 value we have root 5 plus 1 by 4. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Now 1 2 get cancelled. So this root 3 multiply with root 5 plus 1. Root 3 into root 5 root 15. Root 3 into 1 root 3 by 4. This is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Find the value of cos A plus cos B by sin A minus sin B whole to the power 2015 plus sin A plus sin B by sin cos A minus cos B power 2015. Okay, we have cos C plus cos D, 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. C plus C is 2cc. Okay, this whole divided by sin C minus sin D. We have 2 cos C plus D by 2 A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2 power 2015. We have sin C plus sin D formula. So what is there? Sin A plus sin B. So we have 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. This whole divided by C minus C, 2 minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2 power 2015. In this 2 sin A plus B by 2 get cancelled, as well as 2 cos A plus B by 2. Cos by sin, we get cot A minus B by 2, cot A minus B by 2 power 2015. This is cos by sin, cot minus cot A minus B by 2 power 2015. Now I say that cot A minus B by 2 power 2015. Okay, minus 1 power odd number. It will becomes minus cot A minus B by 2 power 2015. This is negative value, positive value get cancelled. Answer, it will becomes 0. Okay, moving to next question. Find the value of cos 12 degrees into cos 48 degrees. Okay, we have 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B formula, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So what is the formula? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, so what is given? Cos 12 into cos 48. Okay, divide multiplied by 2. 2 cos 12 degrees cos 48 degrees. So 1 by 2 times of, we have 2 cos A cos B, where AB value is 12 and 48. Okay, so we should apply this formula, cos of A plus B, 12 plus 48 plus cos of A minus B, 12 minus 48. Okay, it will going to be cos of, this is 60, cos 60 degrees, cos of 12 minus 48, it will becomes cos of minus 36 equal to plus cos 36. This value we have root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, this is cos 36. So 1 by 2 times of cos 60 value we have 1 by 2 This is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, let us do LCM. What is LCM? 4. 4 LCM. Okay, 2, 1, 2 plus root 5 plus 1. It will going to be root 5 plus 3 by 4 2 is 8. This is answer. Okay, look at the next question. Find the value of 2 times of 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos 4 theta. Okay, 4 options are given. What is given? 2 times of 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos 4 theta. Okay, 2 times of, we have 1 minus 2 sin square theta formula. 1 minus 2 sin square theta equal to cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is also cos 2 theta. Okay. We have 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. It will becomes 2 cos A cos B. We have 2 cos A cos B. So 2 cos A cos B equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. According to CC is equal to C plus A. So 2 times of, okay, 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B, we have cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. The sum of angles 2 theta plus 4 theta. This is 2 theta minus 4 theta. Okay, it will going to be cos 6 theta, cos of 2 theta minus 4 theta minus 2 theta. So cos 6 theta. We have cos of minus 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. Because this minus 2 theta lies in 4th quadrant, cos is positive. So cos 6 theta plus cos 2 theta, correct answer. Option 1 correct. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on that.